morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. Have you all written yesterday's homework? Very good. You have to write and post. Okay. So in yesterday's class we have learned 2 pages about the Lizzie. Am I right? What happened in the lesson? In the lesson, a lion cub, a baby lion. The name of that cub is Lizzie. She wanted a man like her brothers. So, what she thought? She went to Osmond. Who is Osmond? Osmond is a wise old ostrich. Lizzie went to Osmond and asked that she also want hair. She also want a man like her brothers. What happened then? That Osmond gave a hair tonic to Lizzie and asked her to rub on her head for 3 times a day. Did it work? Did that tonic work? No, the tonic didn't work. Then this Lizzie got angry and went to Osmond again and asked her to give her money back. Because the tonic is not working. So this Lizzie asked Osmond to give her money back. And then Osmond thought for some time and she got another idea. What is that? Osmond gave a wig of ostrich feathers to Lizzie. She arranged a wig to Lizzie with full of ostrich feathers. Now then this Lizzie felt very proud. Now she had a mane. She also have a mane. Not exactly the mane, but it looks like somehow better. Then her brothers are always laughing at her and wanted to pluck the feathers from the wig. Then Lizzie's mother came and asked them to leave her alone and go out. Till here we have learned in the earlier class. Now going to the remaining part of the lesson. Okay, so Lizzie loved to wear the feathers. She loved to wear that feathers, ostrich feathers. Who gave those feathers? Osmond. She spent a lot of time looking at her reflection in a pool. She spent a lot of time looking at her reflection. Tana needani, tana face ni a pool. Pool ante chinna nadi laga. Okay, so she spent a lot of time looking at her reflection. Tana needani a reflection అందులో నదిలో చూసుకుంటూ చాలా సేపు గడిపేదంట. Because she didn't have mirror, I think. We will spend time in front of mirror. Am I right? We all have a mirror, dressing tables, all these mirrors. If we want to check our face, what we'll do? We'll take a mirror or we'll go in front of the mirror to see how we look. Am I right? So this Lizzie also spent a lot of time looking at her reflection in the pool. Okay, so it was not the real mane, but it was better than having no mane. She knows that it was not a real mane like her brothers, but she feels that nothing is better than something. ఏది లేకుండా ఉండేదానికంటే ఏదో ఒకటి ఉండడం బెటర్ కదా అని ఫీల్ అయిందన్నమాట. ఓకే, she knows that it is not real, but it was better than having nothing. ఓకే, ఏది లేకుండా ఉండేదానికన్నా ఏదో ఒకటి ఉండడం బెటర్ కదా అని ఫీల్ అయిందన్నమాట. She knows that it is not real. Then, but sometimes her mane made her angry. But sometimes that mane made her very angry because the feather mane made her head hotter in summer. A feathers mane tana head ni summer, when if it is summer, how we feel very hot. Am I right? So in summer season we feel very hot. Likewise this lion cub, this Lizzie also felt very hot in summer due to that feathers mane on the head. Lizzie felt very hot in summer. So it got into her eyes and she couldn't see properly. All those feathers are coming into her eyes. So she can't see anything properly. A feathers ఈ hair మన eyes లో వస్తే మనం చూడగలమా? We can't, no. So like that only, that feathers also she's getting those feathers in her eyes. She can't see properly. It also took a lot of time to brush and comb and get the knots out. It's also taking a lot of time to brush and comb the hair, the feathers. దువ్వడానికి కూడా comb తో brush చేయడానికి comb చేయడానికి కూడా చాలా టైం తీసుకుంటుందంట. One day Lizzie and her brothers were playing on the river bank. One day Lizzie and her brothers are playing on the river bank. నది దగ్గర ఆడుకుంటున్నారంట. It had been raining and they got very muddy. When they are playing in the river bank, on the river bank, it's raining heavily and they all get very muddy. మొత్తం మట్టి బురద అంతా అంటిపోయింది, మొత్తం అంటిందంట వాటికి. It will take so long to get the dirt out of our manes, said her brothers. They jumped into the river for a bath. Her brothers said it will take so much of time to wash our mud. Wash that mud. It will take more time, much time. So better to bath here only in the river, on the river. అక్కడే స్నానం చేయడం బెటర్ అని ఏం చేసింది, రివర్ లో జంప్ చేశాయంట. Lizzie's feather mane was very very dirty. Lizzie's feathers mane కూడా చాలా డర్టీగా. Lizzie's feather mane also very dirty. But she could not jump into the river to clean it. The water could spoil it even more. But even though the Lizzie's mane was dirty, Lizzie can't jump onto the river because the water of that river also make that water make her mane spoil. That water spoil the feather. So she can't jump into the river to take a bath, to clean the feathers. Okay. Lizzie thought for a moment. She thought for some time. She pulled off her feather mane and threw it away. By thinking for some time, she pulled off her feather mane and threw it away. Teesi padesindanta. Why? Then she quickly ran home before her brothers. Then quickly she take off the feather mane and threw that away, and quickly she ran home before her brothers. While brothers రాకముందే ఇంటికి పరిగెత్తింది. Lizzie felt freer and lighter without the mane. ఏదైనా హెవీగా తల మీద ఉంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది, చాలా హెవీగా అనిపిస్తుంది కదా. సో by removing that mane, Lizzie felt very free and light. So she could see better too. She was tired of combing her mane anyway. She could feel better too. తను better గా కూడా ఫీల్ అయింది because she have to comb the feathers, and that feathers were very difficult to comb. So that mane was very difficult to comb. So by throwing that, she felt very freer and lighter, and she could feel better also because she can't comb the feathers properly. How lovely you look, said her mother, and Lizzie looked at her reflection happily and agreed. Then after throwing the feathers mane away, she quickly ran home and looked into the mirror, looked at her reflection. Now Lizzie felt very freer and lighter. Then her mother is saying that how lovely you are looking now. ఎవరు ఎలా ఉండాలో అలాగే ఉండాలి నాన్న. లయన్ లాగే ఉండాలి, ఫాక్స్ లాగే ఉండాలి కదా. లయన్ వెళ్ళి బేబీ కప్ వెళ్ళి బాయ్స్ హెయిర్ పెంచుతారా? నో, దే వోంట్ గ్రో హెయిర్. am I right? So how lovely you look, said her mother. Who said? Her mother. Whose mother? Lizzie's mother. How lovely Lizzie is looking. Lizzie looked at her reflection and happily agreed. అవును నిజమే, నేను నిజంగానే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా కనిపిస్తున్నాను అని అగ్రీ అయ్యింది, ఒప్పుకుంది. సో ఏం చేసింది, తను ఏం చేసింది, లిజీ ఏం చేసింది, తన బ్రదర్స్ లాగా మెయిన్ కావాలి అని ఏం చేసింది, వెళ్ళి మనీ వేసి ఆ ఫెదర్స్ మెయిన్ తెచ్చుకొని పెట్టుకొని తనకి ఇబ్బంది అయింది కదా. సో మనం ఎలా ఉండాలో అలాగే ఉండాలి. బాయ్స్ హెయిర్ పెంచుకుంటారా, లేదు. గర్ల్స్ బాయ్ కట్ చేస్తారా, లేదు. ఎవరు ఎలా ఉండాలో అలాగే ఉండాలి. అప్పుడే హ్యాపీగా, అప్పుడే బ్యూటిఫుల్గా కనిపిస్తారు. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈస్ ద లెసన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద Lizzie. Who is Lizzie? A lion cub, a baby lion. Okay, now I will give hard words on the board. You have to note down. Reflection, spent, hotter, summer, properly, brush, quickly, raining, muddy, agreed. See, reflection, spent, hotter, summer, properly, brush, quickly, raining, muddy, agreed. Note down these 10 hard words and then we'll go for question and answers. Okay, my dear children, we'll go for question and answers now. First one, what did Lizzie want to have? What did Lizzie want to have? Lizzie wanted to have Lizzie wanted to have Mary. Lizzie wanted to have a maid. Next, why couldn't she have a maid? Why couldn't she have a maid? Why couldn't Lizzie have a maid? Because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because she was a girl. Why couldn't Lizzie have a maid? Because she was a girl. Next. What did Lizzie return home with? What did Lizzie return home with? With a Lizzie returned home with her head full of ostrich feathers. Next. How did Lizzie feel? How did Lizzie feel? Without the mane. How did she feel without the mane? Lizzie felt freer and lighter without the mane. See, my dear children, what did Lizzie want to have? Lizzie wanted to have a mane. Why couldn't she have a mane? Because she was a girl. What did Lizzie return home with? Lizzie returned home with her head full of ostrich feathers. How did Lizzie feel without the mane? Lizzie felt freer and lighter without the mane. So my dear children, learn the question answers and hard words what I have given. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.